Prove that 4 to the power n minus 3n minus 1, n belongs to natural number, is divisible by 9. This term is divisible by 9. We will prove it by mathematical induction method. By mathematical induction. Tn is this. Now by the method of mathematical induction, we will put n equal to 1. It means this term is proof for n equal to 1. Put the value n equal to 1 here. T1 equal to 0 and 0 is divisible by 9. Now put n equal to 2. T2 equal to 9 and 9 is divisible by 9. T3, that is 54, then that is divisible by 9. Now we can consider, let n equal to m. It is true for 1, 2, 3, then it will true for n equal to m. M is any natural number. Then this term Tm equal to 4 to the power m minus 3m minus 1 is divisible by 9. It will be true. Now for complete proof, we will prove that this Tm is divisible by 9. But we will prove that Tm plus 1 is divisible by 9. Now in place of n, we will put m plus 1. Now this 4 to the power m plus 1 can be written as 4 into 4 to the power m. Now this 4 to the power m we will manage like this. Inside the bracket we have managed, written this. Then see, these two terms we have written extra. These two terms we have written extra. Then the opposite sign of these two terms we have written here, plus plus. These two are minus and multiplied by 4 also, these two terms. Then we have written this. And this minus 3m minus 4, it is here. Minus 3m minus 4. Now this as it is, plus solve these all, 4 and 4 cancel out, 12 minus 3, that is 9m. This term is divisible by 9, we have already seen here. And this 9m is also divisible by 9. It means this complete term is divisible by 9. Hence, Tn is divisible by 9.